Welcome back everybody, my name is Dean from Moonscapes Shop and this is your Flashback Friday. Way! Yes, I'm wearing the same top that I've wore since the start of April because I filmed all these on the 1st of April because I'm up to something. So, what we're doing on the, the 19th of April, this is Flashback Friday, so we're doing the T-Rex today. The T-Rex is one of my favourite movie characters of all time, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. I loved Jurassic World at the cinema when I was a cinema manager. I used to turn it up at this bit of the film where the big bad dinosaur, which is like genetically altered to be the beast of all dinosaurs, basically. No weaknesses, all strength, is, you know, killing people and like scaring everyone, and they're like, oh my god, we need something to stop this, we need more teeth. And the kid's like, I've got an idea. And the woman runs and she hits the flare from Jurassic Park. You know how the T-Rex can only see the movement of the flare. She hits the red flare and she's like, open paddock 9, I think it's like paddock 9. And then doom, and then you know, and it's the T-Rex. And they used the T-Rex from Jurassic Park, the original model. This is when CGI was like all CGI AI and stuff. And there was a certain floatiness to CGI. They used the original model from the 1994, I think it was 1996, Jurassic Park. I think it was 93 or 94. They used the original model from that in this scene. So it was the original T-Rex. Oh, it's spectacular. So I painted this a while ago, one of the first movie images I did. And it was, I didn't like the way it looked. It was quite rushed the way I painted it. And you could see I was quite limited at the time with silhouette work and stuff. Very simplistic, black on black background. Dinosaur didn't really stand out, a lot of shading. I didn't really copy from the film scene. I just copied, I had the idea of painting it, but I didn't use the film scene. I just like put it together sort of thing myself. So a lot of the composition wasn't correct. So I wanted to paint over this and I thought Flashback Friday is a perfect opportunity to do that. So this is going to be Jurassic Park. What's it going to be called? I don't know. Unleashed, I think I'm going to call this one. It's a force to be reckoned with, the T-Rex. It might be outgunned and, you know, outclawed and outtoothed in this fight, but T-Rex, she don't go hell for leather in this film scene. Don't mess with Momma Rex. Right, let's get on with it, shall we? It's Flashback Friday, so sit back and flashback because it's Friday. Have an awesome weekend.